नमस्ते बिटिया। हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। ऑनलाइन डिजिटल लेक्चर्स की सीरीज में आज हम एक और लेक्चर आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं, जिसका कि टाइटल है सॉफ्टवेयर रिपर्टरीज पार्ट 3। And before starting this lecture, I would like to say that we are all proud to be a part of the best women university in India, that is JVWU Jaipur. I welcomes you all in repertory class on digital version 2.0 at JVWU platform as per schedule provided by the university, having the best homeopathy college in Jaipur. Hope my lecture will satisfy your quest for knowledge. Please listen it carefully and drop your queries in comment box, which I will answer in the problem solving session. So let's now move on to the lecture, that is software repertories part 3. As I have told you, an ideal software repertory should contain all these features. It should be a homeopathic remedy finder, case potency selector, should give access and print to the medical reports, should save time when analyzing the cases, should provide facility of making new appointments and follow-ups, should upgrade your homeopathic treatment skills, should have homeopathic prescription and records, should have homeopathic case taking and access and provides access to the patient's medical record in the follow-ups. So these are the features an ideal software repertory should contain. So in the comparison of various software repertories, we were comparing Kara, Mech Repertory, Radar, and HomePath Zomeo. At the outset, it is important to state that none of these programs find the remedy for a case. The task of case taking, perception and organizing of totality, the choice of repertorial rubrics for totality of symptoms, the differential consideration of the leading remedies, and the ultimate choice of similimum, they all remain the work of observant practitioner. So various software repertories have their strengths and shortcomings, which we are going to discuss. We have discussed about help feature and the repertories they contain in the last lectures. Now today we are going to discuss about locating, finding, selecting rubrics in different software repertories. See, for that I must tell you that Radar has got the most user friendly search features, whereas HomePath has also got a good search tools in their repertory software. So here we are going to consider about HomePath Zomeo, which is a software developed by Dr. Jawahar Jesha of Mumbai, India. It's a complete software for homeopaths to decrease the prescribing pace. You can see a lot of patients when you are having such softwares. Our prescriptions are just a minute away with most accurate data and intuitive tools of HomePath Zomeo, because it has got repertory software to search and for instant analysis from 40 repertories. Library module with 1300 volumes of books to confirm your prescriptions. Quick repertorization and quick case record. powerful tools to record and analyze symptoms. So analytical tools are very refined in HomePath software. Remedy module with complete information of 3200 plus remedies, which lets us compare between remedies. 4 expert systems from best researchers, which are an example of most advanced artificial intelligence in homeopathic softwares. It makes us think like these experts in homeopathy. Moreover, in Zomeo, veterinary module is also available to manage veterinary cases, which has features like veterinary repertory and books, first aid, diet and tips, materia medica and manifestation of veterinary diseases. It has got veterinary repertory by Surjit Singh Makkar, 17 volumes of veterinary library and materia medica books. It has got repertories and books by James Moore, John Rush, Ruddock, and Handel J.S., and also Dr. Surjit, which is which are the best books on veterinary subject. It's a book on manifestation of most common veterinary diseases also associated. It has got value added utilities for pet care. So this is all in software repertory part 3. In this part we have discussed much about HomePath Zomeo. So the best thing about HomePath Zomeo that it has got analytical tools, best analytical tools. It has got expert system with artificial intelligence, and third, it has got veterinary repertory also. So at the end of this session, I would like to give you an assignment which is in form of subjective question. And the question is, what various software repertories are available to the profession, and what advantages are there of HomePath Zomeo over other repertories? So the question is, what advantages are there of HomePath Zomeo over the other software repertories? You have to tell. So thanks a lot for patient listening. See you again in the next session with new lecture, that is software repertory part 4. Until then, goodbye. Take care of your health.